Right, I have a question to you, right?
Yeah.
All right, talking about about remission day for prisoner. This is given by Governor Indonesia. I mean, right now.
Yeah.
All right. So, what do you think about that penalty in Indonesia? You know what that penalty?
What is been?
That penalty is hukuman mati, hukuman gantung.
Yeah.
You know what do you think about that penalty for corruption in Indonesia first? And then what do you think? Do you agree about that penalty for seller drug? Seller drug. What do you think about that? Corruption and then the seller drug.
Okay.
Just give you a reason.
For this era, the corruption case is not pure corruption. The corruption because administration,
Yeah.
and then the corruption because he want to save some institution, some institution, and and save some figure like I don't know, maybe the intelligent mata the spire,
Yeah.
spire looking for what the Jokowi's missing. What Jokowi's missing, and what that's and when if if the case is open, the mistake found funded by Spire. Okay, maybe Jokowi regimes victim one person to be a tersangka, a prisoner. Yeah, a prisoner like that. But it's not immortal. Not immortal.
This is not pure corruption.
Not pure corruption because
right,
administration. Because what? So for
hanging, cutting hang, death penalty.
Death penalty.
Death penalty is hukuman gantung. Yeah, it's okay.
Death penalty. I agree if he really and pure drug seller.
Drug seller.
Drug seller. Yes,
Yeah,
I agree with it.
Like marijuana, cocaine, and then marijuana, cocaine,
Yeah.
and then law. You know what? Yeah.
Because if we call about the corruption, if you go to Gucci officer, Gucci office, a head of village,
Head of village.
head of
The
village
chief of
office,
village.
and we say for